Hey there, and welcome to Hell of a Homestead. Today we're going to be going over the edger that I bought that I'm using to dig up this garden. So let's get into it. So I'm not going to pretend I know every single thing about this edger because I do not, but I have it, so I can tell you what I know about it. I know that it's a Craftsman Edger. It's a 12 amp corded edger. And it has 3 different lengths of the edge. There's 1 inch, 1.25 inch, and 1.5 inch. And then they also offer a trench mode and an edge mode. So that's cool. I didn't know what those modes did, and I still really don't know what they do because to me, there is no difference. But I will show you what I can. Hi, Bruno. I'm going to be edging. Is that okay? This is Bruno. He's my helper today. This is going to scare you. Yeah, it's electricity. No, it's crazy. All right. So, I'm going to be edging this way because I did a little off-screen edging. I edged the path, the left side of the path and the right side of the path, but I didn't get rid of the grass yet. So, I'm going to be doing that next week. But I need to cut this edge because I need to do the beginning of the garden bed. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Bruno, you're going to have to get away. I'm sorry. You're going to be scared. I'm going to turn it on. You're going to run away. Okay. So right now it is in edge mode. No, it's in trench mode. Now it's in edge mode. So we're going to do edge mode up into the camera. And so what I do is I lift it up to start it, because if you start it down low, it's going to get stuck. Ready? It's just going to... Oh, it didn't get stuck that time, but it usually gets stuck. But usually I like to let it rev up and then go down. So this is what it did. So it should make, about 1.5 inch deep hole. And that's what edging does. So now I'll show you what trenching does. So I'll do the path over here for trench, and we can kind of compare what they do. All right, I'm going to switch it to trench mode, which is you just kind of pull it back and lift it up. There's no hole to keep it in the trench mode, so I just assume it's going to stay in the trench mode, but we can see the difference between the two. Or no, you're going to get scared. All right, so here is the main difference now that I see comparing. The trench side definitely builds a wider hole than the edging, which I think is more what I want for this area. But you can kind of see the path I took. So the path is about 2 feet long. Inside here is about 15 feet. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 5-feet beds with 5 feet of path in the middle. But yeah, that's the Craftsman Edger. I have no complaints. I got it at Lowe's. It was like 120 bucks. My only complaint was the cordless edger was like a little bit more than this one. Obviously, it also didn't come with a battery, which is weird. And the battery itself is like 200 bucks. So it's like, I'm fine with the corded one. But yeah, I mean, if you like this video, make sure you click the like button below. Subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you when we work on the yard. See ya. I wanted to show off my apple tree. It has flowers now. I'm very excited. Okay, bye.